Today I'm with RSA Treasurer Brian Maloney. Brian, how's the RSA financial looking?
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I appreciate you guys being here, and I wanted to let you guys know we just finished up our Board of Directors meeting, and with our Finance Department, I'd like to let you know a little bit about finance and our Finance Committee. First of all, for the year last year, we increased our assets approximately 5.5%, and then our liabilities, we reduced that by 6%. On top of that, we had revenue increases, a fantastic year this year for you as members. We're up 10.4% in our revenues, and on top of that, we're down 3.2% in our expenses. I can't tell you, this has been a great year for us at the Roller Skating Association. You as members, I want to thank every one of you for participating and getting out there and having a good time with our industry. And anytime you have any questions, please let me know. Give me a call. Thank you.